What's up guys, and welcome to our cabin on deck 5. This is cabin 5630. We are in a Cove balcony, and I want to show you around a little bit. So come on with me this way. Mr. Peter's helping us out with the cameras. First thing we'll come up to, of course, is the closet. Get over here, Peter. Check out these closets. You're going to want to see this. I love the pull-out drawers, and look at this. It's got the nice, easy closed shelves for you. Just something new and something fancy. The Carnival's added, I really like that touch. Of course, we have a safe, and then plenty of hanging space with hangers. Remember, you can always ask your stateroom steward if you do need more hangers. So we do have a closet here, and then pretty much the same thing here. None of those pull-out drawers, but you have more shelving here that you can use, and of course, more hanging space. It looks like we even have some extra bedding sheets there, so that's nice. Oh yeah, that's probably for the pull-out, you're right. So that is the closet area. Now, let's take a look at the bathrooms. I'll step on in here so you can get a better view of it. So the bathroom, of course, we have 2 shelves for use there, 2 glasses. There's Peter. Hey, Peter. A nice pull-out vanity mirror for the ladies to check out their makeup, get those final touches in place. Some more storage down here under the sink, and then even some pop-out drawers. Check that out. So that's nice. Lots of added storage in the bathroom. I really like all the new storage that they found use for here. And those nice closed shelves, of course, you're seeing those all over. But I think my favorite part about the bathroom is here. Check out this shower, guys. Look at that, a door, a physical door, no more curtains. And look at the technology with this here. Ready? Ready? Boom. Gone. Yeah. Of course, we have Carnival standard shampoo and shower gel. I personally am a huge fan of this, but if you don't like it, of course, you can always bring your own. A nice shower head up top to use. Looks like a foot scrubber bar, and some place for your soap. Nice and simple. So moving over here behind the shower door, you do have your control panel here. You do have to have your stateroom card inserted in order for the lights to work. So just keep that in mind. If you come in, you're like, the lights won't come on, what's going on? You've got to insert your card into here. And then your climate control system right up here. And it looks like we have even a cool boost feature as well. So that's really, really nice. Yeah, so if it's really hot, you can hit that, and that'll make sure that it cools it down nice and quick. Moving over here, more storage down below for, I don't know, maybe you had some Cokes that you brought on board with you, some souvenirs, some cookies, candies, things like that you want to keep down there. That'd be a great place for that. We do have your mini fridge. That opens up, and that can either be stocked or emptied. Ours is empty, but they can stock it for you. And I think we'll probably be sticking this cake and other items in there to keep those nice and fresh. Special thanks to everybody that sent us a gift today for our embarkation day. We surely do appreciate it. It has made our day a lot more magical. Now these waters here, do know that these are for charge. These are not included with your room. They are $3.95 a bottle at the time of filming this video. The glasses, though, you can feel free to use those. And if you want some ice, you'll just need to ask your stateroom steward. They'll be happy to get that. The bed right here, this one kind of flips up and out. Well, there it goes. Oh. And you're ready for bedtime if you did have somebody staying in this room. And then it just converts back over. So that is a little bit of how the bedding works there, the bedding couch situation. Moving back over here, we do have some more storage here. There was a little bit about like dry service and laundry. I do have that included being platinum, so I'll get that done this week. Your hair dryer right down there for the ladies or the men, I don't judge. And one more final drawer for you down there. Now we're moving over here, something really neat. Yes, these hats, of course, you can get these at ParadiseAdventureCo.shop. But I really want to talk about this stool here, because it's not just a stool, it's also, look at that, a breakfast in bed tray. How about that, guys? And it's also another storage location. Wow. How about that? So I think they really excelled here on Mardi Gras with making more storage.
You can even put this on there and roll over to your bed and have it like...
Look, that fits
right
on
it
top
fits
there.
Right there. You got a little table.
And you got a little table, right?
That's like a table for the couch. Yeah.
Exactly. So really, really nice innovative features here about Mardi Gras. Now speaking of innovative features, come on over here, Peter. It's worth noting that Mardi Gras has an expansive selection of USB outlets and charging ports. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8.
Ooh, by the bed.
9. Hold on. 9. Anything in here? 10. 10.
There's one in there?
There's one in there.
Oh.
10 10 outlets in Mardi Gras, guys. Plenty of charging opportunities for you. Now, the bedside lighting, if you're wondering where that is, it just pops out.
Oh, and it turns on by
Light
itself.
on, light off. That's how that works for you. Of course, the Carnival Comfort Collection beds and nightstands now are nice and sleek here. And if you have the beds together, the nightstand just pops out and fits over here. So that's really, really nice. And then we just pop it right back on the wall. It has these little pegs, and you're good to go, okay? Of course, we have your flat screen TV. This here's where you can monitor your sale and sign card. They have importantly ship updates and information on there, daily schedules. You can view your photos, make reservations, and so much more. The Carnival Hub app is really, really built in to the in-room stateroom television and onto your phone, so make sure that you download that before your next Carnival cruise. And then finally, the piece de resistance about the Cove balcony is, of course, the Cove balcony. All right, so let's roll out here to the Cove balcony. Peter, you go first. Show them this view.
Wow.
Look at that, nice and close to the water. We're actually having an announcement done right now. Isn't this nice, Peter?
And it's nice that it's shaded because the balcony is up there.
Right, so that's the beautiful thing about the Cove balcony. You're right down close to the water, and so it's nice and shaded, but also you have these unobstructed views. Look at that, beautiful. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is a tour of our Cove balcony here on board the Mardi Gras. I sure hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, share it with a friend, subscribe if you're new, and come and join us in the Carnival Mardi Gras cruise series. Until then, my name is Josh with Peter. Thanks so much for your help today. It's been real, it's been fun. Today has been real fun. We'll see you on the high seas.